Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about hair care and home services, and how we can help you achieve your desired look. One of the main reasons your hair might become dry and damaged is due to the lack of moisture. When your hair is exposed to heat, it can lose its natural oils, leading to dryness and damage. Another factor is the use of harsh chemicals such as bleach or dye, which can strip your hair of its natural oils. Now, let's talk about our client. So, what can we do to help her achieve her desired style? Keratin is a protein that helps to strengthen and protect your hair. We can help your hair look smooth, shiny, and healthy without losing its natural curls. Now, let's talk about blow drying, but it's important to do it correctly. We'll show you how to blow dry your hair in a way that shinier look. Let's break down the process and the reasons behind it. First, let's talk about why our client's hair might be feeling dry and damaged. Chemical treatments and even genetics. This can lead to frizz, split ends, and overall dullness. Now, let's address our client's concern about wanting to keep. Keratin is a protein that's naturally found in our hair, skin, and nails. When applied as a treatment, it can help to strengthen and smooth the hair. Give our client's hair a smooth. The key is in the application and styling. We'll use a blow dryer to gently smooth out the hair. This will give our client's hair a smooth, without sacrificing her natural curls. Let's talk about ironing. While it's not necessary for every client, ironing can be a great way to achieve a sleek, straight look. It's important to note that this should be done with caution, and only on the lowest heat setting. A comprehensive guide to hair care and home services, tailored to our clients' unique needs. Thank you for joining us, and if you enjoyed this video, and subscribe for more hair care tips and tricks. Until next time, take care of your locks, and they'll take care of you.